Wuhan, China, December 2019. Many of us will remember this date as the beginning of an unfortunately long-lasting outbreak of the novel coronavirus. Since then, our society was forced to adopt systems of defense towards the containment of the virus and decided unwillingly to sacrifice many things that once we thought were mundane and more than normal. For the people who spent the last 2 years in a remote jungle away from modern society, here's a quick recap. COVID is an easy-spreading virus which exploits human aerosol, tiny particles or droplets in the air, such as dust, mist or fumes, to transmit itself human to human. The most straightforward remedy alongside vaccination are surgical masks, which though present three main problems detected through desk research and customer-centered interviews. They are uncomfortable, extremely polluting and impoverishing non-verbal communication. Hold tight. We are going to tell you how through design thinking, customer interrogation, and the support of Rostov and its biomass expertise, we discovered a groundbreaking innovation which could make the planet a more communicative and less polluting world. TRANSMASK or transparent masks are made 99% from biomass derivatives. They show facial expressions, so they solve communication issues of normal masks, make contact patient caregiver less impersonal and reduce carbon footprint and sea pollution. In fact, with 52 billion masks manufactured and 1.56 billion present in our oceans in 2020 alone, we knew that deploying a bio-based solution was the smartest move. Why bio-based economy? Well, if you didn't get it yet, it is one of our strongest ways to combat climate change because it takes advantage of natural cycle where we grow the crops, we create a bio-based product from it, and then we use the waste to create even more applications. As we said, this is a natural cycle, so a circular process that must be prioritized and replaced to our linear processes that are undoubtedly impossible to sustain long term. Whether it's fuel, food, or energy, they can be all produced using biodegradable, renewable, bio-based products. But coming back to TRANSMASK, the tissue is made with the right match of transparency, resistance and porosity with the electrospinning technique to create polymer nanofibers 100 nanometers apart, small enough to filter our viruses and bacteria but large enough to let air through. To finalize, we're going to leave you with our one-sentence speech. For health professionals, caregivers, patients, or anyone who wants to improve their mask experience, TRANSMASK is a transparent surgical mask which provides, unlike normal masks, increased comfortableness, show facial expression, and aid the transition towards a more circular, sustainable, and green economy.